Hi boys and girls, we're here for lesson 20 homework, and it's to solve division problems without remainders, and we're going to use the area model. So the nice thing is, I got them all except this one. Oh no, there you go. So this is going to look a little bit familiar. We've used the area model before to solve problems. So number one, they sort of set it up for you. They made the number bond and they did the area model for you. So Maria solved the division problem by drawing an area model. And you can see that it's 30 and 24. What is 30 plus 24? 54. 54. And what are they dividing by? 3. So it's 54 divided by 3. And what's the answer? 10, 8, 18. Because 30 divided by 3 is 10. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So this is showing you what the area model should look like. And they're asking you, what problem did Maria solve? And this is the problem. So now we're going to use a number bond to match her area model. We're going to start with the total, show how it's split into two parts, which is 30 and 24, because 30 plus 24 is 54, and then show it using the distributive property. So 30 divided by 3, this is 30 divided by 3, 24 divided by 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10, 24 divided by 3 is 8, 10 plus 8 is 18. So this first problem you can always refer back to, as well as the problem set, because that will show you how to use the area model and how to use the number bond and the distributive property, which is down here. This is the number bond right here, and this is the distributive property where you distribute the numbers. So let's try it. And obviously I drew the area model and I drew the number bond. So it's 42 divided by 3. So we know it's divided by 3, so that is here. 42, how could we split that up? It's always a good idea to do it times 10. So 3 times 10 is 30. So we know 30 is one of them. 42 minus 30 is 12. Oh, that's divisible by 3 as well. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So here we do 40. Oh, I did 43. 42. Silly. And again, we divided 42 into 30 plus 12. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So there you go. And then I wrote it in standard form. 60 divided by 4, using an area model, a number bond, and represent it with a written model, which is this. Okay? So 60 divided by 4. Well, we, again, try to do a 10. 4 times 10 is 40. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. 60 minus 40 is 20. Well, 20 divided by 4 is 5. So that would give us 15. So we have 60. And 40 plus 20 is 60. So it's the same numbers. And then 40 divided by 4 is 10. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 60 divided by 4 is 15. This is asking us to do an area model and explain using words, pictures, or numbers a connection between this distributive property and the area model. So we're kind of just saying what we've learned. That if we have 72 divided by 4, again, we'd go with a 10. So 40 times 10, 4 times 10 is 40, or 40 divided by 4 is 10. And 72 minus 40 is 32. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So our answer is going to be 18. 72 divided by 4 is 18. I know I'm going really fast, but it's because you should know your multiplication and division facts. So if we do it with a number bond, you can see 72, and we divide it between 40 and 32. 40 plus 32 is 72. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. So what they're asking us is, what is this connection? Well, the area model shows us how to break the numbers apart to make it easier to divide. So it kind of shows us visually this side is larger than this side and what we're doing. And then the distributive model actually divides them. It shows the actual division and the answers and how we got our answer. Okay? We're going to solve 96 divided by 6 using the area model and the standard algorithm. And I did these arrows to show how they're connected. So 96 divided by 6, so we know that we're going to do a 10, so 60. 96 subtract 60 is 36. So 60 divided by 6 is 10. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Okay? So if we do this over here, oops, uh-oh, how did I not get 96? Uh-oh. Oh, no. That was right. That was weird. Hold on. That does make sense, but this should be 6. Goodness gracious. That's why I had an extra 6 and I couldn't figure out what it was. So 96 divided by 6. So first we start with the 9. 9 divided by 6 is 1. 1. Okay, Dad, mother, sister, brother. Multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. Sister, we subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. Brother, bring down the 6. So we have 36. Do a dad. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Mom, 6 times 6 is 36. Sister, subtract. 36 minus 36 is 0. Brother, nothing more to bring down. So we can see that what we did was, same difference. Our 10 is our 10, and our 6 is our 6. So we got the same answer, but just this is the standard algorithm. So we only had really 4 problems, because the first problem, they kind of set it up for us, and they just wanted us to fill in the blanks. And we're just practicing our area model and our number bonds. And you did a great job, and I'll see you in class tomorrow. Bye-bye.